Now we are continuing the chapter conservation of plants and animals. In this part, we will be studying various steps taken to conserve wildlife. The first step of conserving wildlife is habitat preservation. Habitat preservation includes the conservation of forest and afforestation. So, wildlife habitat includes the forest, grassland, and other places where the wild animals can exist. So, we have to avoid overgrazing. We have to do afforestation and prevent the forest fire. Everything we can do to conserve or to preserve the habitat of wildlife. Now, the second one, hunting regulations. Government of India, through various rules and regulations, it is prohibited hunting and killing the animals. Hunting and killing these animals is implemented, is regulated by various regulations laid down by the India government. Accordingly, there is strict restrictions to hunt and kill the animals. Now, third one, establishing protected areas. Protected areas are biosphere reserve, wildlife sanctuaries, and national parks. So the protected areas are artificial habitat that we create under the human influence. They are generally called protected areas. So what is the biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve is a large area which is set aside for the conservation of plants, animals in an area, along with the conservation of the tribals in that area. So, we can understand that biosphere reserve is mainly for, not only for the conservation of wildlife, but also for the conservation of the tribals in that area. Okay? And biosphere reserve may include wildlife sanctuaries and national park. So, biosphere reserve is a large area in which national park and wildlife sanctuaries can be included. For example, biosphere reserve is Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve. You have already seen Pachmarhi in Pachmarhi in Madhya Pradesh. Pachmarhi in Madhya Pradesh is a biosphere reserve. It includes the national park, Satpura National Park, and two wildlife sanctuaries. What are they? Bori and Pachmarhi. Bori and Pachmarhi